Hey guys, welcome to J Studio. Hope you all are great. Now I have a serious DIY project for you. It is a home restoration video which I recently did at home and I wanted to share with you. Hope you like this video. So quickly let's get into the video. So I will be taking up the restoration of my bed today. You can see the veneer of one of the sides has come out. On a closer look, you can see a layer of the ply has also come off, which I will be fixing with these half-inch nails. So I started nailing the pins one by one with a small hammer. You see, I tried every way to finish the job with perfection. Once done, I took the length and breadth measurements of one bed, which was 36 into 18 inches. So I will be using these vinyl sheets with mahogany oak wood finish for this project. These are self-adhesive sheets. I bought these from Amazon. I will be listing down the details in the description box below. So you basically need to cut into required measurement and peel off the paper at the back and stick to the surface. So here I am measuring 18-inch and making dots at intervals so that I can join the dots and make a straight line. Similarly, we'll do the same for the 36-inch side to finally cut an 36 by 18-inch rectangle. And then finally I started to stick the vinyl sheet on the footboard. I didn't realize I was almost blocking the view. But you can see I'm removing the back paper part by part and then flattening it with my palms and a card so that there are no air bubbles. I was using my pan carding. I'm also pushing the corners so that they crease a little, which I will be trimming off later. Finally, one of the bed is done. I will be doing the second one also. And if you see the four corners, I have trimmed off the extra with the help of a paper cutter. So finally, my project is ready. It immediately made a huge difference. These vinyl stickers are surely not permanent solution, but it will easily last more than a year. These vinyl stickers are also available in different textures and colors. So it is an easy solution whenever you need a change in your living space. These are also waterproof and do last for more than a year. So that is all for this video. I do hope you like this video and my efforts of shooting such a project. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching.